Welcome to how to put thumbnails tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put thumbnails in your YouTube video. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to click on upload and then upload any video that you want. Then after you upload a video, this is what you will see. You can scroll down till you see thumbnails. So after the video is processed and uploaded, 3 auto-generated photos will be shown here. You can click on any one of them and click on done, so that will be the thumbnail of the video. Also, if you are verified on YouTube, you can click on upload a file and upload your own thumbnail. So how to verify on YouTube? You can search for youtube.com/verify and you will see this site. So this site is telling me that my phone number is verified and it's already been verified. So if your phone number is not already verified in YouTube, you can go to this site and they will ask you to verify your phone number. Then you can upload any thumbnail you want. Also, if you have already uploaded a video and you want to edit the thumbnail, you can click on your profile picture and then go to YouTube Studio. Can go to content and then go to the video that you want to edit your thumbnail in. From here you can edit the thumbnail. As see, you can click on auto generated. There's 3 pictures as always, and you can click on change to change the picture, or you can also download it and test and compare. So your thumbnail will need to have a resolution of 1280 by 720 and a width of 640 pixels, and the types will be JPG, GIF or PNG with maximum size of 2 MB. Also the aspect ratio will need to be 16:9. So that's how you put thumbnails to your videos. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.